Drinking a lot of water is very important, just not for your skin but also for your gut health. अगर आपका पेट अच्छा रहेगा तभी bumps नहीं निकलेंगे skin से. 90s was the easiest time ever. Being a 90 kid, I know how easy was life back then because तब इतना कुछ था नहीं. But that doesn't mean कि 90s was better than this era because change is constant, and with changes we need to change our everything as per the routine. So 90s में हमारा स्किन केयर क्या था? स्किन केयर वॉज जस्ट जो मम्मी लगाती थी, एंड बीइंग अ डॉटर वी ऑलवेज फॉलो आवर मॉम. सो मॉम क्या करती थी, एक अच्छा सा फेस वॉश लगा लिया, जो टीवी पे ऐड आता था उसी को खरीद लिया, और उसके बाद कोई भी मॉइस्चराइजर जो भी अवेलेबल है ड्रग स्टोर में खरीद लिया, और एक सनस्क्रीन जब बाहर जाते थे, दैट्स इट. और रात को एक और क्रीम लगा के सो गए, बस. इसके अलावा आज अगर आप देखोगे तो 10 स्टेप स्किन केयर रूटीन, Korean skincare routine, I don't know what not. So life has changed, and the best thing is people have evolved in a better way. So 90s में I don't remember हमको ये भी पता था कि कौन सा स्किन टाइप है, क्या लगाना चाहिए. अभी तो कितने बार 50 बार एप्लीकेशन कर लो सनस्क्रीन तो वो भी कम है. So what has changed over the period of time is that the generation has changed, or the climate has changed, or scientists have evolved, or product has evolved. I don't know, but there is a change and we have to face it. Okay, so to be relevant we continue with whatever has happened, and that is why today we are here discussing about the new skincare regime which is famous everywhere. But what is new in this video is we are not going to talk about the product first, but rather we will dissect the type of skin. Let me give a disclaimer that I am not a dermatologist, neither I am a professional. You can consider me as your well-read friend who has learned a lot through experiences. So I'm going to share everything that I'm going to talk based on completely science and research and with my own experience. So if this is of your interest, please stick through. And one more disclaimer, skincare is not, gender biased. It's completely gender neutral. Hi, my name is Koel and welcome back to my channel. What is skincare? Skincare is simply taking care of your skin. Right? Simple. But why skincare is so difficult these days? Because there are so many products out there. Being a marketer, I understand how difficult it is to make choices when there are so many options out there. Back in 90s, the choices were minimum, and that is why we did not used to struggle about which kind of products we need to apply. But अब क्या होता है? We have so many options, so many brands, and what an amazing packaging. और उसके ऊपर ads. राइट पहले तो सिर्फ टीवी पे जो ऐड आता था वही ले लेते थे. लैक्मे का एक फाउंडेशन, उसके ऊपर एक मॉइस्चराइजर लैक्मे का ही लगा दिया, फेस पे लगा दिया, एक कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर लगा दिया, एक लैक्मे का लिपस्टिक, एंड दैट्स इट. और ज़्यादा पैसा है तो लॉरियल, रेवलॉन. दैट वाज सिंपल राइट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेकअप. इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्किन केयर एक पॉन्ड्स का क्रीम हो गया, एक आई डोंट रिमेंबर एनीथिंग बियॉन्ड पॉन्ड्स. या सो दैट वाज सो सिंपल. बट अभी क्या होता है, वी हैव अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट आउट देयर एंड amazing advertisements, and it actually influences us to go for impulsive purchases, and which actually sometimes we are happy and sometimes we regret. So let's make skincare easy, and this is the whole video all about. So if you like this kind of content, please I would suggest subscribe, because I'm going to make more such content and that will definitely help you. So let's start with the type of skin. First, there are 5 types of skin. First is combination skin. Second is oily skin. Third is dry skin. Fourth is normal skin. And fifth is sensitive skin. And this whole video, we will be talking about each type of skin and all the steps that we need to follow. This whole video is around the guide. Okay, consider this as a beginner's guide. And we will talk about each of the skin types. So make sure that you understand and take screenshot wherever I'm going to place something around the screen. That will make your life easy. So definitely take screenshot whenever you see some kind of information popping up on the screen. अभी पता चल गया 5 तरीके की स्किन टाइप्स है. बट आपका कौन सा स्किन टाइप है ये कैसे पता चलेगा? फॉर दैट सिंपल टेस्ट है, फेस वॉश कर लो, 1 घंटे तक कुछ मत लगाओ. अगर आपका स्किन थोड़ा ड्राई, पैची और थोड़ा टेक्सचर आ रहा है, यू हैव अ ड्राई स्किन. अगर आपकी स्किन में ऑयल यूज आउट कर रहा है, यू हैव एन ऑयली स्किन. अगर आपकी टी जोन में ऐसे टी जोन में ऊपर के एरिया और नाक के एरिया के ऐसे कॉर्नर में अगर ऑयल आ रहा है, यू हैव अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन. अगर आपको कुछ बम्स आ रहे हैं, इरिटेशन हो रही है, यू हैव अ सेंसिटिव स्किन. एंड अगर कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है तो यू आर लकी, यू हैव अ नॉर्मल स्किन. So these are the skin type, and how to know the skin type? Easy, right? Now let's dig deep into the type of skin care. So skin care may be only 4 steps. We'll keep it simple because it's for beginners. Let's make it very, very simple. First, cleansing. Second, toning. Third, we will talk about exfoliation once in a while. Then definitely moisturizing. Last but not least, sunscreen. So this is your AM routine. PM routine में no sunscreen. Same routine, cleansing, toning, exfoliation or serum, and moisturizing. Right? So these are the 4 steps for the PM routine. Now we know the steps of skincare. Now let's dig deep into each of the skin type. Let's talk about oily skin type. For oily skin type, the best ingredient is salicylic acid. Look for salicylic acid in every product you buy. Okay? Starting with the cleanser. Cleanser with salicylic acid will help to reduce much of the oil secretion. See, अगर आपका फेस ऑलरेडी बहुत ऑयल प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, उसके ऊपर अगर आप ऐसा फेस वॉश लगाते हो which is very very creamy in texture, that will produce more oil and that will let you more breakouts. We don't want that. Simple. For face wash, you can use something which is gel based, which is not creamy in nature. सेटाफिल ऑयली टू कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन का जो फेस वॉश है इज अमेजिंग फॉर द ऑयली स्किन टाइप. डॉट एंड की का सैलिसिलिक एसिड इज अमेजिंग. यू कैन यूज डॉक्टर शेट का सैलिसिलिक एसिड एंड 2% salicylic acid, 2% niacinamide वाला face wash, or just 2% salicylic. So these are some recommendation for your skin, for your face wash. Second is toning. So if you have an oily skin, use for rose water. So you can go for Kama Ayurveda one, you can go for Khadi. These are 2 recommendations from my side because they do well. I'm not recommending any other product which I have not used. So definitely if you want to know some other product which I will definitely try to use it and then review it for you guys. But for now, Kama Ayurveda and Khadi will suit you. Another one is Biotica Cucumber Toner. So cucumber is very hydrating, at the same time it sucks out the oil also. So use a cucumber ka Biotica face toner. Okay. Now come to the third point, which is exfoliation. Now exfoliation matlab jahan pe we are applying some kind of serum. So to understand serum is nothing but your hero ingredient, which is a kind of vitamin or acid that you are applying on your face. Which type of serum suits oily skin? The best and the hero serum which is for every skin type is vitamin C. So go for vitamin C. Second is salicylic acid serum. So vitamin C by minimalist 10% is enough, because I think even if you're not beginner or agar aap, if you're aging also, 10% vitamin C is more than enough. Second is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid maybe make sure that you do not cross 2% ka border, because that's also enough. Now, what is salicylic acid? It's a BHA. BHA matlab beta hydroxy acid. So BHA क्या करता है? Exfoliate करता है. So adding too much of salicylic acid is not good. So once in a while you can make like you can do it in a week 3 बार salicylic acid लगा लिया face पे. And vitamin C is also good, okay, for you. Now रात को make sure that when you use retinol. Now what is retinol? Retinol is again a vitamin A. Retinol make sure that we use in the night, because retinol लगा के कभी भी बाहर नहीं जाना. And अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हो, तो make sure you apply a lot of sunscreen. But retinol is always advisable in the night. Make sure that you never ever use vitamin C and retinol at the same time. Maybe you can use vitamin C in the morning and retinol in the night, but not in the same time. Now, otherwise, you will definitely see a lot of breakout. I have done this mistake before, and I was cursing my product, but it's not my product, it's actually me. I needed to understand that these 2 products do not go well together. Okay, so we now know that these are the 3 serums that we need to use, and the retinol and vitamin C, they don't go well together. Simple. Now come to the 4th step, which is moisturizer. So for people having oily skin, जिनकी skin से already lot of oil ooze out कर रहा है, they don't need a lot of ceramides in their product. Okay, they need something which is very light in texture. So any gel based moisturizer is good enough for you. You can use Clinique Moisturizing Surge. It's amazing. You can use Pond's ka gel-based moisturizer. You can use Neutrogena ka gel-based moisturizer. So this gel-based moisturizer and no ceramides is something that you need to take care whenever you buy a moisturizer for yourself. Clear? Last but not the least, sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must, okay? Whether you are inside your room, outside, anywhere. Because even that, when you're watching something on your phone, that blue light is also something that can damage your skin. The whole light inside house, when obviously we are all working from home, so laptop screen, they are very much capable of damaging our skin. So make sure that we apply sunscreen in the daytime throughout the day, not in the night. So sunscreen you can use Dot & Key ka watermelon one. It's very mattifying and cooling effect, and it does a wonder. Okay, I use it and I personally recommend it. And I think any kind of sunscreen which does not have a lot of creme in it, let's try that. More of a gel based one would definitely suit you. Okay, so these are the AM routine. Coming to the PM routine, all the steps remain same, just sunscreen नहीं लगाना है. And रात को moisturizing में let's use a retinol. अभी retinol का भी we need to know one thing very clearly, that retinol need not be applied every day. Okay, every night अगर आप retinol लगाओगे, it's not going to help you because it also needs some rest days. So make sure that when you use retinol, Monday को लगाया, Tuesday को no retinol, Wednesday को retinol, Thursday को no retinol, Friday को retinol, Saturday Sunday no retinol. Simple. So three days a week for retinol is enough, and no vitamin C with retinol. Clear? So AM PM routine for oily skincare is done. Now let's move on to the next one, which is dry skin. So for dry skin, AM PM routine, everything remains same as the oily skin. The difference with the oily skin would be you need to have ceramides and you don't need salicylic acid. So for cleanser, you can use Cetaphil, or you can use any moisturizing cleanser which is out there which has ceramides in it or hyaluronic acid in it. Second, for toning, you can use Laneige ka toner. It is very milky and super hydrating and super moisturizing. You can use Laneige ka toner. It's very good for the dry skin. For serum, which is for exfoliation, you can use hyaluronic acid, and L'Oreal ka hyaluronic acid is superb. It just plump up, and you can also use Cosrx ka that snail mucin, because that's also very hydrating in nature. And for the creme, you can use a moisturizer, which is by Clinique, or you can use Dot & Key ka ceramide or DU ka ceramide, because ceramide is best friends for the dry skin people. And last but not the least, sunscreen. Use sunscreen like watermelon wala for Dot & Key. You can use Aqualogica ka Radiant sunscreen. They work amazing. Okay, I have just used these two. I have used Neutrogena sunscreen as well, but it never suited me, so I'm not recommending that. But both Dot & Key and Aqualogica sunscreens are amazing, especially their pink variant, which is watermelon for Dot & Key and Radiance for Aqualogica. And for the PM routine, everything remains same. For moisturizer, we need to use ceramide products. Clear? Now we move to the third skin type, which is combination. For combination, you need to start with cleansing. Use Cetaphil ka gentle cleanser. You can use Simple Cleanser. Second is your toner. For toning, you need to use something which has lot of niacinamide in it, because combination skin people tend to have oil in their T-zone, and niacinamide is amazing for that property that can help you to stop your oil oozing from the T-zone. So niacinamide में सबसे अच्छा आता है Plum का, which has 3% of niacinamide in it. So that works wonder as a toner. And third would be your obviously serum. So for serum, we will use vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. These are your best friends. You can use once in a while glycolic acid or kojic acid or malic acid, which are AHA. They actually help in hyperpigmentation. अगर आपकी skin में बहुत सारा pigmentation है, तो you can use these products. And last but not the least, we will go for moisturizer and sunscreen. AM routine is as it is. Coming to the night routine, you can go with again a cleansing. And for combination skin, I would suggest go for double cleansing, because since your skin is producing oil at the same time and getting dry at the same time, even if you're not applying any sunscreen, make sure that you double cleanse. And double cleanse से एक चीज़ होती है कि जो dirt है आपकी स्किन में वो भी निकलता है and sunscreen भी निकलता है. It's important that रात को जो भी हम क्रीम लगा रहे हैं उसमें sunscreen ना रहे, because sunscreen is not needed in the night. Make sure that we double cleanse. और double cleanse के लिए क्या करना है, use the best is micellar water. जस्ट उसमें थोड़ा सा कॉटन पैड में लेके पूरा फेस को लगा लो, आप देखोगे कि कितना डर्ट निकल रहा है विदाउट पुटिंग एनी मेकअप ऑन इट. एंड फॉलोड बाय यू कैन अप्लाई सेटाफिल का फेस वॉश. वी कैन अप्लाई देयर इज अनदर वेरी गुड फेस वॉश बाय एक्वालॉजिका, हैज ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड इन इट. वंस इन अ व्हाइल you can apply that. And obviously combination skin, I would say go for salicylic acid ingredient in your face wash once in a while. So for combination skin, I would recommend 3 kind of face wash. Do it like not on a regular basis, but in 7 days a week you can follow 2 to 3 times with Cetaphil, maybe two times with salicylic acid, or 1 time with the glycolic acid. So this is your cleansing, followed by your which is very important again, toning. So toning में will go with the mist, any mist which has lot of cucumber or rose water in it, which has hydrating property. Go for Kama Ayurveda one, Khadi, they all have amazing properties, so these are very natural. And Biotic one is also equally good. The honey one is really good for combination skin. Now let's come to the toning part. So vitamin C in the day, hyaluronic acid for the combination skin, then use peptides during the day and during the night, and retinol during the night. Okay, same step and same ingredient for all the skin type. No vitamin C with retinol. Actually retinol के साथ कोई भी तरीके का, make sure that we are not using any exfoliator like AHA or BHA. So if you have you are using retinol, you are not using vitamin C, you are not using malic acid, not using kojic acid, you are not using any salicylic acid. So salicylic acid या कोई भी तरीके का अगर एसिड आपको दिख रहा है आपकी प्रोडक्ट में, वो रेटिनॉल के साथ नहीं जाएगा. सो डोंट कर्स योर प्रोडक्ट, कर्स योर नॉलेज अबाउट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी डोंट मिक्स रेटिनॉल. सो रेटिनॉल की जब रात को हम रेटिनॉल लगा रहे हैं, वी नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट हमारा स्किन सिर्फ वॉश किया हो एंड हम रेटिनॉल लगा रहे हैं विद द obviously after toning, just put retinol. So what I do is I don't use a retinol serum per se, but rather I go for a retinol plus ceramide ka creme, which is amazing product by Dot & Key, and I just use that over and over, and it works wonder. Okay, so रात को जब मैं लगाती हूँ, the next morning I can feel my skin, I can just, my skin looks so plumped up. एंड रेटिनॉल के साथ एक अगर आपको कोई सीरम लगाना ही है, तो आई वुड एडवाइज गो फॉर हाइलोयूरोनिक एसिड, दी बेस्ट. वो सबके साथ चला जाता है रेटिनॉल के साथ भी, उससे आपका स्किन और प्लम्ड अप दिखेगा. That's it for the PM routine. Now let's move to the skin type which is sensitive skin. Now sensitive skin type is really difficult to actually get a hold of, but for sensitive skin we will make it very gentle. So cleansing only by simple cleanser or by Cetaphil का gentle cleanser. I swear Cetaphil ने मुझे कोई sponsorship नहीं दिया है, but I swear by their products because they are very gentle and they are very mild. So face wash अगर बहुत harsh हो गया ना, so your skin will start burning out from the beginning, and we don't want that, right? So let's not have a lot of alcohol in our face wash. Let's not have a lot of acids in our face wash when you have a sensitive skin. So use Cetaphil ka gentle mild skin for sensitive skin. That's amazing. You can use a simple ka one for which is again gel based and does not have any alcohol in it. So this is for cleansing. Coming to the toning, use I would say again, I swear by Kama Ayurveda ka rose water mist. It works wonder. Sensitive skin guys, I would suggest that कोई भी product use करने से पहले definitely do a patch test on your hand, because hand skin and your face skin are similar. So patch test कर लो because it's needed, otherwise you can break out at any point of time. So once you're done with the toning, we'll move to the as usual, the serum part. For serum, vitamin C is again good. Hyaluronic acid is super for you guys. For you guys, I would say let's not exfoliate. Let's not use any kind of AHA, BHA. By AHA, I mean glycolic acid. By BHA, I mean salicylic acid. So no AHA, BHA for sensitive skin, okay? I would avoid that because we are in the beginner stage. Let's not experiment. And then you can use obviously retinol in the night, but retinol need rest days. So make sure that we always use retinol twice or thrice a week, not more than that, and also not in a regular span of time. One day retinol, break, retinol day, break, retinol day. Simple. So coming to the moisturizer part, again, I would say my most favorite Clinique one. It goes well with all skin type. You can use Clinique Moisturizing Surge. If you find it really out of your budget, you can use the Pond's ka gel based moisturizer or Neutrogena ones. They work equally well. Now let's move to the final, which is the sunscreen part. For sensitive skin, it's very important that we use mineral based sunscreen. What is mineral based sunscreen? Sunscreen which has zinc oxide in it, okay? So we need to use mineral based sunscreen. Which kind of sunscreen create mineral based sunscreen? We have couple of brands like Deconstruct, that there's another brand called Laneige, of course. Then these are the two brands that I've used. That is why I'm recommending. I am not recommending the ones which I have not used. That is why I'm not calling out all the sunscreen brands out there. Okay, so you can, you know the hero ingredient which is zinc oxide. You just need to find out अगर आपके sunscreen में alcohol नहीं है, zinc oxide है, so that's one is for you. Now let's move on to the last segment, which is normal skin. Normal skin type people, you are blessed. तुमको ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट उठा के लगाने लग जाओ. आपके लिए भी वही सेम चीज़, सेम रूल है कि आप विटामिन सी, मैलिक एसिड, AHA, BHA के साथ रेटिनॉल नहीं जाता है. मेक श्योर. फॉर क्लेंजिंग, first step, you definitely need to use something which is again gentle or creamy, whichever suits your face. I would again go by Cetaphil one. Second one is toning. Use Kama Ayurveda or Khadi. Third one is your definitely serum one. You can use the vitamin C in the morning, retinol in the night. You can use peptide in the night. Sometimes when you're not using retinol, you can use hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid once in a while, and obviously lactic acid once in a while when you see some kind of acne coming out of your face. Sometimes it does, okay? And talking about the moisturizer one, my most favorite Clinique, I can't stop recommending. I am not getting any money from Clinique, I swear, but this is one of the greatest moisturizer ever, so that's why I keep talking about it. Last but not the least is your sunscreen. Sunscreen mein you can use Dot & Key and Aqualogica one. So I hope I tried to make as much easy as possible your skincare game. But the video is not done yet. We need to remember one thing. ये सिर्फ products लगाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. We need to also take care of our body. Very important thing is you drink a lot of water. So invest in a good tumbler. You might think that it sounds cheesy, but it does help. मुझे help किया because when you buy a good tumbler and आपको थोड़ा सा motivation लगेगा यार पानी पी लेते हैं. So drinking a lot of water is very important, just not for your skin but also for your gut health. अगर आपका पेट अच्छा रहेगा तभी bumps नहीं निकलेंगे skin से. So let's make sure that we have a healthy gut, and for that you can drink a lot of water. You can also have in the morning soaked nuts. You can have almonds, you can have walnuts, soaked nuts, okay? Make sure that they are soaked. And you can drink lemon water, warm water with lemon and dash of honey in it. You can also have chia seed water, flax seed water. They are really good in the morning, empty stomach, okay? So you need to take care of water-based food a lot. That makes your skin good. Second thing, 8 hours of sleep is must. So if you're facing, dark eye problem, that is because your sleep is not proper and you're taking a lot of stress. So make sure that we are sleeping for 8 hours straight. Third one, which is very important, that you don't take stress. To not take stress, the best idea is to indulge yourself that makes something which makes you happy, and अगर आपका oxytocin hormone ज़्यादा release होगा, आप ज़्यादा खुश रहोगे, and science says that exercise does that for you. So let's make sure that we take out some time from our day, 20 minutes, that we work out, and that will help us to obviously release a lot of oxytocin and also help us to glow inside out. I think I have covered almost all the aspects as much as I can remember. And if I have missed on anything, you guys can help me by commenting down below. I would always wait for your comments and your feedback. They matter a lot for us. Hope this video was useful, and I'm going to make more such videos. And so please, again, I'm requesting subscribe to our channel and support us. Thank you so much for your time. Bye for now.